Good morning everybody and welcome to my online English video class. In today's class we are going to solve all the question answer of unit 11, that is winter oak. In the last class we have been completed the chapter, the explanation of the chapter, and now we are going to solve all question answer and exercises based on this chapter. So student, let's start. Here you can see that the first question says, why did Anna Vasiliana swap lessons with the geography teacher? Paragraph 7. So answer says that this is the first answer. Student Anna Vasiliana swapped a lesson with the geography teacher because the latter found it difficult to cope with the noise, and the interactive people of that Subarsky lack of punctuality so early in the morning. So that is the answer. All the answers are given here. Okay, you can check the answer here. So question number 2 is talking about. Okay, question number 2. What made Anna Vasiliana think that Subarsky was a difficult boy? So here the answer B is talking that Anna Vasiliana felt that Subarsky was a difficult boy because no matter how hard she let me change the book. Okay, she tried, she could not get to him to tell what she believed to be the truth. Okay, then that is the answer. Then question number 3. The children learned their lesson by naming things that were most familiar to them. How did the answers of the class different from the Subarsky? What does this tell? So what does this tell? See that. Okay, while the others in the classroom named ordinary things such as wheel, tractor, cat, and all, and well, Subarsky's choice of noun was winter oak. This example was different because not only was it unique, but it specifically described the oak tree in winter. Thus, from his choice examples, we understood Subarsky considers the winter oak to be important enough to recollect in a lesson. This shows us that he has a deep connection with nature. Okay. Answer 4 is says Anna Vasiliana was sure that Subarsky was lying about coming late because she knew that his house was closer to school than that of student. Then let me explain. Yeah, where the line. Let's wait. Okay, so to her mind, only reason Subarsky could have been delayed or why delayed was because she stopped to play and thus lost track of time. She refused to even consider the idea that the child may be walking through the woods, and she did not understand why he would not to do so, and thus concluded that he must be lying in order to show him that she was right. He decided that she must meet his mother and told Subarsky to take her along the path that he took. Question number 5. We know that in the winter the oak tree protect and provides shelter and habiting animals, and is therefore important to them. In what way does it help Subarsky? Okay, so let's see answer. So the oak tree helps Subarsky establish a connection with nature. Okay, it establish a connection with nature. Now the tree Subarsky is able to observe and understand birds, animals, and other creatures that come together in the delicate web of life. Subarsky's love for trees tells us that he has a deep appreciation of nature and enjoys spending time in its midst. Thus, the tree helps him by instilling sensitivity towards all living creatures in him, and is therefore important to him. So in question number 6, answer number A and answer number B is here. You can take a screenshot, and then PDF also will be provided. And then after, student, here in B part, A and 1 and 3 is given, but question number 2, see that here is talking about the brook is alive under the snow. So here this question is based off of your agreement. If you are agree, you can write yes. If you are agree, you can write. So this question number 2 will be homework. You can do by your own. Okay. That is why here free response I have written here. See that here I have written free response, so that a student can give their own answer. Free response means you can write the question that is based on a student's mind, that is free to response. You are free to respond to that question. Okay, then after here exercise begin, that is based on direct and indirect speech. I have explained you this chapter. See this exercise, and then after this exercise that is also given on your book. Okay, so I have given the answers of this exercise here. This is the answer of this exercise, this, and this also answer, and for you says just wait student, let me check in the book what is left in this exercise. Okay, so that portion is left. Okay, this one. Okay, you can open your book and then you can check page number. Yes, page number 21. The policeman said that I have given you. Then after in downside you can see that is given. Here is given. See, I'm not talking about this. See, okay, yeah, this one. So for each of the following words about this you can write. I will give you answer here. You can write the answer. Okay, let me write here. So student, for careful, you can write what you have to do. Each of the words, find the text roughly opposite meaning. You have to write opposite meaning. In opposite meaning, student, okay. So in opposite meaning, the words in use. Okay, WORDS, words in use. That is given on page number 121. Okay, this is the page number. So I will write. This is words, WOR. Okay, so what is the first answer? First answer is anxious. What is the opposite of carefree? Carefree is opposite is anxious, right? ANXIOUS, anxious. What is the second answer? लेचरसली. लेचरसली का अपोजिट क्या होगा? सो रैपिडली, RAPIDLY. ओके, देन व्हाट अबाउट थर्ड? joyfulness. Joyfulness, third answer will be GRIEF, grief. Okay, then regularly, answer 4 will be occasionally. Okay, NALLY. Then answer 5. Answer 5, opaque. Opaque is TRANSPARENT, transparent. Okay, number 6 is confidently. So answer will be DOUBTFULLY, doubtfully. So that was all about this answer. And then student, in the page number 122, exercise B. Let me see. Let me write you here. So on page number 122, exercise B and C. See here you have to, what to do, you have to make simply a sentence. So this sentence you can make by your own word, and this is not important for the exam, it will not come, and you can write by your own. And here appreciating the text also will not come in the exam, so we are not going to discuss this one. So now your chapter is finished here. Thank you so much student, and have a nice day.